Over in the foreground, you can see majestic hills, and then Mount Michael. So working on changing our fuel filter assembly. We got our fuel pump out, all apart, everything's done there. We pulled this one out, had to fish the lines out. Now we're about to do some nighttime fishing and fish these lines right back over, and then pick them up on this side. And if we get it right, we can pick them up on this side and put them back together. Whew. Wonder what that looks like. Oh, that's super cool. Rock on. Okay. Neat. Don't want to lose that. So, first, these things need to get a little straighter, and then really like for this to be further down the block. How about this? I'm gonna go get another one. We'll do it that way. Ooh, get right back. Roger that. Okie dokie. So, I'm gonna need to leave just a little bit of slack. Let's try to pull some of that bend out too. Yeah, if y'all wanted to life hack this thing, find a better filter. Oh, that's dirty. I'm not putting that in a gas tank. I'll go get another. That's a clean one. That looks kosher. Trash. Alright. Gonna catch me a breamer fish. Oh. Breamer fuel pump. Where'd you go? Oh. Hold up. Wait. We're bumping into this over here. Try y'all let me know when you see it come out over there if my elbow ain't in the way. This is the fun part. No. Nowhere close. hair on my shirt because it's gonna end up. Oh, look at the moon! Oh, thanks, hair. Look at that. That's super cool. Oh, like I need to clean that lens. Alright. Alright, got my hair in. Thanks, moon. Oh. My hair's in for the night. Oh. Ow. Feels like burning. I'm hitting that. Oh. We must be getting closer. Oh man, that burns. Oh, this is extremely annoying. Why do I have to do this? Oh wait, you didn't! There you get me, car company. Wink, wink. This is so silly. That was this blind man, right? He's filling his way through a gas tank with a set of tubes, right? Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna have to dig my hand in here and deal with it that way. This is no fun, BMW. Alright, that's in the way. Get it around that. This is something else. This is in my way. Oh, that burns! Oh, wow, that really freaking burns. Oh. They're not coming out. Okay. Should just right up the wall of the tank, but obviously there's something in the way. And why would you do that? Why would that ever have made sense? Ever, for any reason. It doesn't. What is this going up into? Well, there's 1 and 2, and 3 is getting hung. Okay, so it's a good daggum thing. I put a freaking zip tie around them, because imagine if one of them gets hung, we never get them through here. This is stupid. Alright. One. It needs to turn up. Do I do yoga? That's a funny question. And also hit shit with hammers. All right, y'all, sorry for the wait. So, Hope y'all are having a good evening. The moon is beautiful right now. I hope you go out and check it out. And I don't know what planet that is above it, but it's really cool. The sky is beautiful. I might have missed this view. And this one, well, I know it ain't the first time I'm gonna get that one, so it is what it is. Car's gotta keep rolling. Happy day. Cheers.